Okay, you saw that salad? Good looking salad. I'll show you how we make it. Very healthy. We'll start with kale. Okay, this is organic kale. What I have left in the bag. I like this one. This is rainbow kale. It's also organic. Okay. So what I do, take this bag, I take a little kale, put it in there. Some people say they don't like the taste of kale. You won't taste it in this salad. Okay. Now they'll put, depending on the kale you get, they'll put pieces of stalk in there, which is not bad, I guess. They put big pieces too. I guess they sell it by the pound. Anyway, start with a little kale. Okay, then put some dressing on it. Okay, now this is sugar-free. Okay, it's called dipping sauce. Now this guy makes, I got this at Walmart. He makes a whole bunch of different types of stuff, and they're all good. This tastes like Thousand Islands with a smoke flavor. I really like this one. Okay, and I'll put that on top of my kale. Because the salad's going to be so big, the dressing ain't going to get over to the bottom. Okay, put that on my kale, and I just kind of mix it up a little bit, get it going. Okay, you could put more if you want, or less, or whatever. Okay, might put a little bit more. Talk myself into it. All right. Now, next up, use, this is spring mix. This is also organic. It's organic. I get it organic whenever I can. Whether it's really organic or just printed on there. So I'll just put a little of that in there. Okay. This is the spring mix. It's got a bunch of stuff in. Notice there's a paper towel in there. Trick is put a couple of paper towels in it, and it'll suck up the moisture and it'll last longer. Okay. Now we got our main ingredients. Not really. We got a bunch more ingredients going. Okay. Then I like to make it look good with an egg. Regular boiled egg right in the middle. Okay. Then, okay, this is a cut up tomato. Okay. Take a regular tomato like this, and I cut it up, and I put it regular tomato, olives with the pits or garlic. Okay, regular olives. This is pineapple. And some cherry tomatoes. Okay. Now, I want to say something. I wash all my fruit, every bit of it, with baking soda. Reason is, it gets rid of the pesticides. It'll take the residue off of your fruit and vegetables. What happens is, a farmer's going to spray the vegetables with an oil-based pesticide. The reason is, if he did water-based, the first little rain come along, he'd lose all his pesticides. So it makes sense. He's in the business to make money. So to get that oil residue off of your fruit and vegetables, baking soda and warm water. And I scrub, wash everything. I don't use a brush to scrub anything. I just wash them with my hands. Okay. So like we said, we're going to put this, once this washed good, we'll just lay the tomatoes around. Okay, of course you can put this in any order you want. Okay, and here's the other tomatoes. Alright, and like I said, this is pineapple. I cut everything up and got everything ready to make it quicker, of course. Alright, just lay everything away like you want it. Okay, these are olives with the garlic pits. only have 3 of those. Okay, and then just regular olives, and just spread them around. Okay. Now, next, I have, this is black olives right here. Black olives. Uh-oh. Let me get that before the dog gets it. Throw that in the garbage. I'll wash it later. Okay, this is grapes, black grapes, the dark grapes, not black. These are actually red grapes. And these are blueberries. Okay, and we just simply just lay everything in there, put everything around. And we're going to come back with a little dressing and top everything after to tie it all together. Like I said, I really like that dressing. And I don't measure anything. This is black olives mixed with the with blueberries now, so it doesn't make any difference. I'll put them in there. All right, just put them in different places. All right, now next we're going to put. Okay, this is chopped up ham. This is regular smoked ham. Okay. And avocado. All right. I like to put my avocado and put a big grape in it. All right. These are the pieces that came off the shell. Just throw them around there. Here's my other avocado. You got a big grape in that one. Okay. Now we're going to take just the chopped up ham and just put it all over the place. Okay, you need a protein. The protein is going to be your ham and your egg. Sometimes use chicken. I'll get a chicken and I'll cut it up. I can buy a big chicken at Sam's Club. Cheaper than I can buy a raw chicken or a baby chicken. I felt like ham today, but most of the time I'll put a chicken. I'll cut chicken breast and put in there. Okay? You know what a chicken looks like. But it's funny. I went to Tractor Supply. I got chickens, so I went to Tractor Supply for baby chickens, and they cost more for one baby chicken than it does for a cooked chicken. Figure that out. Alright. Next, these are Brussels sprouts. I only have 2 of them. These are steamed. I'll steam them. Okay? And if you don't like Brussels sprouts, put some of this on it. Alright. That'll definitely make them taste good. I'll put them Brussels sprouts. Put one on each side of the plate. They're not the best tasting, I realize that, but they're very good for you. Okay? Now, what else we got? Okay. These are asparagus sprouts. Okay? And I'll lay a couple of those in there. There's a big bowl in there. I'll lay a couple of them in there. Alright. Then, I'm going to come back with some, go with this next. Kraut. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is very, very good for you. Let's just sprinkle a little sauerkraut in there. Okay. I guess I don't measure anything. I just do it up like I feel like it. Okay. Then beets. Okay, I found this brand is the lowest in sugar. You got to watch your sugar on beets. Some beet brands have 20% sugar. I think this is less than 5, I think, if I remember right. All right, just about out of beets, but I got some more in the pantry. I like to pour the juice in there. Okay, just put the beets in there. waste no beets. All right. Now you move them around whatever like you want. Oh, we got an egg in there somewhere. All right. Then I'm going to come back, and that's about it. I'm going to come back with some more of this. Okay, there's no cheese in here. If you like cheese, I don't do dairy, so I don't do the cheese. So there's no cheese. If you want cheese, put cheese. Cheese would add a lot of flavor to it, I'm sure. Okay, I love this dressing. Like I said, 1,000 olives with a smoke flavor, and it's no sugar. You gotta watch your dressing. A lot of your dressings are worse for you than the ruins of salad as far as health-wise. All right. Now that's how we make a big salad. Like I said, try to buy everything organic. Wash everything. Wash all your fruits and vegetables with your baking soda. Okay. Now this is a good meal. This is a meal. Now I just about fast every day. Okay. I do a 19-hour fast. Okay, that gives me 5 hours to eat. And in the 5 hours, I eat 2 meals. And I went from 235 pounds down to 180. I guess 3 or 4, whatever. Yeah, I'm less than 185 from 235. And I did it real slow. I just cut back on the carbs. I did keto for a little while. I'm still doing a little keto, holding back on the carbs. Now some things in here are high carb that you wouldn't eat on keto. With pineapple. Pineapple's high carb. You wouldn't eat the grapes on keto. Alright, so this is more or less like a dirty keto. Okay, so anyway, I lost that weight, and I would recommend if you're gonna lose, you want to lose weight, you want to get down, do it real slow. Start with a low carb. Just go low carb before jumping into keto with both feet. Keto is not easy. Okay. They do make a keto bread. This is the keto bread. If you want to get into keto, Walmart again. They make a couple different types of keto bread if you gotta have the bread. I still do the keto bread. I don't eat that much bread though. So that's pretty much it. Enjoy your salad. You want to add something here? It looks like a big salad and a lot to eat. Now remember, I've been intermittent fasting, and I haven't eaten in 19 hours, so this is the biggest meal I eat. The next meal is going to be real small, maybe a small sandwich or something like that. Okay. After keto, I got into intermittent fasting. Okay, I did the 16-8, which is 8 hours eating window, which you'd eat 3 meals, and 16 hours fasting. My last meal was eaten at 5:30 at night, and the next morning at 9:30. Wouldn't eat before 9:30. Just drink water and maybe some unsweet tea. Okay. Then I went into the 19-5 fast, which is 19 hours. Like I said, fasting and 5 hours of eating. It's not that hard if you build up to it like I did. Okay, I feel way better. I feel good. You go into what they call autophagy. That's a whole nother video. But autophagy is a Japanese word for self-eating, where your body eats itself. It actually eats the bad cells. Gets rid of the bad cells and replaces them with good cells. And a lot of health benefits from autophagy. Yeah, some people claim to cure everything, but look it up, autophagy. Okay, I'll put the name on the screen for you because I can't spell it right now offhand. So that's pretty much where we're at. And like I said, I need to make another video with just autophagies because it's complicated. Let me add this. During season, I'll put slices of pieces of watermelon in here, cantaloupe, and I sometimes put orange. Okay, I'll put an orange in there, a portion, half an orange maybe. Say something about your orange. Wash it good before you even peel it. Okay, there's pesticides on here. You touch this has been washed, but you touch this, and then touch the fruit inside, the orange inside, and you're spreading pesticides. You're going to eat the pesticides. This you need a brush to wash, and baking soda. But you would need a brush because it's porous. So wash all your fruit. Okay, like I say, in season. And of course, you can add what you want, take away what you want. This is just a very healthy salad. I thought I'd share it with y'all. How we do it here, make a big salad there.